Hey guys, I thought I'd just do a bit of a demo here about how I use my Passport on a daily basis. So what you're looking at here is a XRDP instance of Ubuntu that I'm using a customized RDP application to connect to it. And those customizations were done by me a little bit just to make things smoother. So the XRDP server is also running some optimization that really makes this a fluid experience. And it works really well. You know, the stream rate is so fast that it feels like you're using the computer directly. So, I use this quite a bit. But other ways that I use the Passport too is like if I swipe up here and I show you this, this is another remote desktop application running an older version, or not older, more of a basic, really basic version of Linux that I use for troubleshooting and mostly Chrome actually. This one has Wine installed on it, so I use it for a lot of .exe execution. And then I've also got term 49 here. So this is the QNX shell pretty much. And deployed on here are a bunch of network utilities that I use on a, like a daily basis, like everything from Nano to Netcat to any common utility I've compiled for QNX, and so that's deployed locally. So I can actually deploy and run quite a bit of code right off the device, and having the keyboard there and just the way it functions, I actually haven't found a better device, to be honest with you. And one of the reasons is like if I swipe up, the memory management that's going on here is just incredible. Like for instance, this is just for fun, but like I've got Windows 95 running on the device locally through the Android runtime, of course, but I optimize this and it's just sitting there in memory. Like no issue. I jump back to there, it's sitting in memory. And this is one of the reasons why I think I'm such a strong advocate of BlackBerry. And like, I've never had this kind of experience on anything modern or anything at all, generally. And, people look at this thing as a relic, and I'm like, show me a device that can do this level of multitasking for a DevOps, software engineer, and there is none. And so if it had a better camera, that would be sweet. I mean, that's the only thing it's really missing. I mean, the battery life is great. I swapped the batteries out, about a year or two ago, and the battery life is amazing. But yeah, that's a little bit about how I use the Passport and a little bit more detail. So I hope you guys like that.